This is a Printelligence product briefing on EFI's Fiery JobMaster pre-press document preparation package. Compiling and organizing documents from a variety of files and instructions is an underappreciated but often necessary task. Years ago, in the days of hard copy masters, this was a core function of quick printers and implants, but digital design tools and PDF standards promised that much of that would go away. And it did, somewhat. However, a different challenge arose once everybody could easily save their documents as PDF files and take digital photos with their smartphones. Customers now typically create files rather than utilizing designers, yet their feature and quality expectations remain the same. So printers must often transform mishmashes of PDF files filled with errors into cohesive, professionally produced documents containing tabs, numbering, or page stamping with mixed media and finishing. And they probably can't charge much for this value-added service, so the process must be fast and easy. The good news is that there is software like Fiery JobMaster to help ease your job. EFI's Fiery JobMaster is a sophisticated make-ready application that has all the features of Fiery Compose and much more. It includes document assembly capabilities for creating traditional tabs, bleed edge tabs, image cleanup, advanced page numbering and stamping, document modification, and so forth. It integrates with Fiery Compose and third-party applications like Adobe Acrobat Professional and Enfocus PitStop Edit, available as separate purchases. This seamless integration means you don't need to keep saving, closing, opening, saving, closing, and opening to get your work done. Fiery JobMaster is accessible from Command Workstation, but is more oriented towards pre-press workers than operators. Fiery JobMaster provides clear views of pages, sheets, and settings so that you always know where you are and what you're doing. And all of its internal edits are non-destructive. That means that you can back them out later, even after you've saved the file and closed the application. This pre-press application is a useful tool for commercial printers and implants who need to assemble jobs from multiple digital and hard copy sources, renumber and stamp pages, add chapters, sections, and tabs, and do all this while providing fast turnaround for customers who are probably unwilling to pay extra for these services. This means that Fiery JobMaster is particularly useful for applications like event or raffle tickets, NCR forms, course packs, manuals and proceedings, and so forth. Its ability to assemble complex jobs, imposition the pages, and specify mixed media and finishing with clear, WYSIWYG views means that this software is both useful and easy to use. There are other software packages out there that do similar work. Each has unique strengths, and as you watch these videos, I think you'll see features that differentiate Fiery JobMaster, such as selecting and filtering pages by page property, like orientation, size, and so forth, easily duplicating ranges of pages, creating multi-bank tabs, creating and formatting bleed edge tabs, numbering pages with overlapping ranges, unlimited stamping in headers and footers, and delivering repeatable work quickly with reusable presets. Fiery JobMaster is a powerful product that will be useful for many general printing operations by significantly simplifying a lot of pre-press make-ready tasks. I wish it had better integration with Fiery JobFlow with more macros to provide better production workflow automation, and hope to see that in future releases. Right now, however, Fiery JobMaster does a masterful job at helping pre-press teams and operators compile, correct, impose, and produce complex jobs quickly. And at the time of this review, EFI is offering a free 30-day JobMaster trial to Fiery customers. Visit fiery.efi.com/jobmaster/free-trial30 if you're interested. The other videos in this Printelligence product briefing will dive deeper into demonstrations of how you can use Fiery JobMaster for job assembly, for page numbering and tab and multi-bank tab creation, for a few real-life applications like NCR forms and tickets, and to create bleed edge tabs.